Hi friends, how are you doing this moment or this morning? Happy to welcome you to my channel, my YouTube channel. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, you know exactly what I do. I teach people on how to solve some problems, how to make money online, how to create a paper account, and how to do other answer questions that are related to the niche that you are up to. So this is my channel, is Ibrahim Media. Please do it to subscribe if you are not a follower yet. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop fantastic videos like this, you'll be notified immediately. This moment I have, uh, this moment I will be showing you a website or a tool that you can use to create a logo, create a complimentary cards, banner, flyer, so on and so forth. Please, I don't know if you will be experiencing noise because where I'm doing this video is quite busy. They are doing some construction, road construction, so you might be hearing some noise, freaking noise. Please bear with me because I just have to do this here. I'm not in my house as at presently. So what I was saying before that, I want to teach you on how to a tutorial on how to use a tool or a website to design, make a design, especially if you are a beginner. And what is the name of this website? It's called Canva. If you go to Google straight, you exactly see what I'm talking about. Now, I'm already there in Google. You type Canva. Yes, this is it. Canva. Online design made easy. So Canva is a software that a Canva is an Australian graphic design platform used to create images and a logo. As I said before, this is the platform of the website or the tool that I'm talking about. This how it is. It's easy to use, very easy to use. Canva, over millions of people are using this to create their design. You know, we have Photoshop. It's a graphic design like Photoshop, where you design or AI, that's to say Adobe Illustration, where you design manually from scratch by yourself. And you know, it takes time, right? Those that are doing graphics, those that are doing online work. So by the time they design those things, it take much of their time to design this. So that's why Canva is a tool that will help you to do a drag and drop work instead of doing starting from scratch, which will take your time, especially when you are busy. So you can customize with website with Canva rather, and this is the interface of it. All what you need to do is to drag and drop your image or whatever you want to do. If you want to, in short, I will teach you. I will show you on how to do it by the time we get to that. But I just want to show you the platform so that you see how it looks. It is not hard to sign up on it. You can definitely go below to see how what they have, the templates. They have many templates, fine templates that you can use precisely. You see, so that is how it is. I don't want to waste much time on this our teaching. So I'll be going straight to the website. How to sign up? You also sign up here is easy. You click there, you link if you are using your Google to sign up with or your Facebook, whatever, your email, you can do where to sign in. It is not hard. So they do not need much details about you, just your email and your name, then you put your picture. So I already have an app or already have a login with them. This is my website or this is my own. So I have, I think it's not showing well because of the screen recording I'm using. Please, you bear with me. You know, I told you I'm not in my house, so I'm using. I want to do this video for you so that since I'm chance now where I am, so you can manage to hear me. Please get up because the noise they are doing road here. I said it before. So this is the Canva, the interface. Now this is my account. You can see it here. I've already logged in. So I'll be using this. Look at how this is a thumbnail I've created with this Canva. This is a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail, and a thumbnail, an image. You can see a video editor. I've used Canva to do some images or how to put on my videos I edited previously. This is a thumbnail too. These are thumbnails. You see them? These are thumbnails. Then we still go. This is an ebook. I've used it on an ebook too. This is an ebook cover. This is an ebook cover. You see, this is a product. This is a product that I did an affiliate on. I removed actually I changed the background. So let me see, go down below and see this is my logo. You see, I design a logo with this. So I use this to design a logo. This is a logo I designed, logo to my website. Yes. The, these are products. These are Bluehost, a server. These are video I edited long ago. So these are images. These are images. You can see there are many and many. This is a complimentary card. Good. This is a complimentary card I designed myself. I designed this myself. Flyers, banners. These are the things I did. These are my projects. Yes, these are my projects. I've been using this for a long time. It's a very fine tool which you can use to create a logo or make any form of design. Remember, I told you I will not be taking much of your time, friends. I will wait to quickly show you one after the other how you can use Canva. For example, we have video here. There are many of the what you might like to use, what you want to see. There are many of them. If you want to do a video, you can use this to create a video. If you want to make a presentation, you can use it. If you want to do a logo, Instagram post, flyer, you see, I said before, they are all here. Now we want to look at templates. Let me take you to where it says templates. Good. These are the required templates. Whatever you want to do, white, yellow, geometry business plan presentation. If you want to create a presentation for business plan, you can click on this, then you edit. If you want to do logo, you can see it here, different layouts. You can see different layouts. But I will not be doing all of them. So if you know that you are finding it difficult to do a particular design on your own product or what you want to do, you can uh, chat me up on the description below. Drop your comment. Then I will do a particular video on what you want to use this Canva to design. But because of the tutorial, I want to choose logo and logo sample. Let's assume you want to create a logo, and these are the already made templates that you can use personally on your own. You see, there are many templates here. There are many templates. We have many of them. Let's assume you want to create one, but you love the template and just want to change some features, some things, or you want to create from scratch. But I will not be telling you how to create a blank logo because it take much of your time. But the reason of showing you this tool is for you to use already made template and create your own logo precisely. Now let us assume I want to pick let me check. Fine, let me take this ego like. Let me click on it. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Now there is the ego eye, dead eye. So I want to change some things on this logo. Let's customize this logo. Good. Now this the dashboard. This is where you can do the work. First, before we start, if you want to look at the change the color, you can come here. This is where to change the color. The first thing to do. Now, if you want to add a page, you can definitely do it like this. You add, add. I can add up to 10 pages that you want to create, and I will also show you on how to download them one after the other. And the first one is to what? We want to actually, we love this logo, isn't it? Yeah, we love it. Now we want to change the color. What we need to do is to change the color of this logo, the background color rather. First, you want to change the background color. Maybe you want pink, that's how it is. Or you want purple, you click. Now this one is very fine. I love this. Now let's use this purple. Then we want to change this inside. You can move, you can drag. You see now. You can move. You can remove this. You can drag. It's draggable. Yes, you can drag it. So if you want to remove this watermarks or this particular logo here, the design, you are free. You can put your own. Let's assume. Let me create a page. Let me move this to this page in case I want to use it later. Good. Let's assume I want to put a logo here, a picture, my own picture. What you need to do is to come to where you say upload. You click. You see, these are the images I've used before. You can see very well for you to see that I've been using this. Let's assume you want to upload from your PC or your system. All you need to do is just to say upload media. Definitely, it will take you to your system and you click, you open, then it will appear here. That is how it is. But let me use one I've uploaded here before, though it's not fine, it will not be fine. Let me just do it for tutorial. Fine. Now I just drag this now. Although it's not a good design, but I just want to tell you that this is how it works. Now let's assume I want to. It's too big. It's not fine. What I need to do is just to drag a little to fit in to what we are doing. Let's assume I will drag to get this bigger, enlarge it bigger. Good. Now it has almost has fit into what we are looking for. Now I've created a logo. This is an email logo. Now I want to remove this right up. You can definitely remove it. It's easy. What you need to do is just to click. If you want to remove, you remove. But if you want to, you still like it to be curved, just as the way it is. What you need to do is to highlight everything here. Then you come to where it says test. Look at where it says test here. Good. You see? You know if you don't want to write test, if you don't want to come here, what you need to do have highlight. I say highlight. Then you write email, for example. Let's assume you want to change this ego and to an email. You just need to type email like this, email template. Let's say template. Sorry, templates. Good. Now that's how it is. So this is how it is. You can see now the email template has already been created. You can see it here, it's reflected. Now if you want to change this one too, you can also change it. Now the next thing again is if you want to change it to italic, you can change it by coming to this side. Okay, to change it here. You want to be bold, it's already bold. That's why you are seeing it like this. Then if you want to change the color of the writer, you can come to this place and change it to blue and to whatever color you wish to whatever color. You can see it's reflecting here. You can see this is gray already. You can see this too. You can see this. You can see this. So whichever color you wish to change it to, that is how it works. So it's very simple. Let's assume we have created this now, or we want to put this one here. So it's just this way. Then what again? If you want to make it transparent, you can come here. You can do it this way. If you want to create a transparent form, that is how it is. You want to duplicate it, you do it like this. You want to delete, it is like this. Then what are we missing? I think that is how it is. Now, if you want to put emojis, you can also put emojis. It's simple. You drag or you click. I think you click. Good. You want to put emojis, you can put. You can see it here. You put emojis. Then, if you want to put QR code, you can also do that. Okay, you cannot put it on because you have to put enter URL. Then you want to add other things. You can come to this way that say more. So whatever you want to add, they are all here. All the features, they are all here. Then I think we have shapes. Yes, elements. They are also here. Now you can say if you want to put an element, maybe different color to this particular one, this present one, you can put something like this. Now it's already in yellowish, in a yellow color. Then you want to create a different color, you can do it like this. You see, so that in case you are designing, you want to duplicate, you click, you duplicate this color this way. You see, you can drag. Then you want to duplicate, you click on the color, you you copy, you come here again, you paste, you paste. Let me go again. You copy, you paste. You see, you have duplicated this now. So that is how to use Canva, make a design. You want to design, this is how to use Canva in designing whatever you want to design. If you want to put round shape, you can do it. If you want to put square, rectangular look, then love, they are all here. Images. So it's a fine template, it's a fine website that you can use to design whatever you want to design. You can even edit your videos here. If you want to edit video, you come to this place and say upload. You upload your video, upload image. You can see it here, videos, audio, images. So you can do the different templates. As I said before, you want to change it. So you can log in and yourself look at it on your own and see areas in which you can use this website or this tool to create a fine and attractive design. Now the next thing is to download what we have designed. The next thing is to download. So what you need to do is to come to this place that says share. And remember, we are downloading PNG file. We are not downloading PDF. We are downloading PNG. Now what you need to do is to click the download icon here and it's already here because I've been using this. So if you want to download GMP, you can click like this. It will take you like to the place. But it is suggested that you use a PNG. That is what will give you fine image, a good image. If you want to download a before video, for example, you come here when you are editing video. Then when you need PDF files, you can also do it. But we are using PNG. And if you want to make it a transparent form, is that is when you pay money for that. So try it for free for 30 days. If you want to use it on a transparent to use a transparent, you try it on about 30 days free. It was free before. Transparent background was free before. I don't know, they put it on a price now, so you can do it. It's not much. But you can try it for free for 30 days as you can see there. The next thing to do is to remove the watermark. What is watermark? The mark, the logo, that is Canva, is a watermark. Canva logo will be some uh on some images that you are editing or some layers, templates. And you will see something like Canva on it. So that is a watermark. For you to remove that Canva logo, you have to also use money. I think that's it. See, it's downloading already. It's downloading. You see, it's asking me if I want to download it on my PC. No, because I'm not downloading that logo. It's not fine. Just for a teaching per se. So this is how to download it. You download immediately and it will appear to your system as you can see. So this is how to edit or design um with Canva as a tool or a website. Please, if you've enjoyed this logo, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be among those that do enjoy this kind of a video that I drop all the time. Remember I said that I do videos on different niches. This is my videos, these are my videos rather. So if you find it difficult to do what I've just taught you, whatever I'm teaching you on this video, you can drop it on the description below and I will give you an answer or help you to do a video on that particular problem that you need a solution for. So thank you very much for watching. And remember I said kindly subscribe to my channel. I always say this because I have time now to be doing videos for you guys to be enjoying. So by the time you follow suitly, then whenever I drop videos, you will be among those that will be notified. That's why I always shout out subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video.